There is a door, unlike any door that has ever been.
That's one small step for man.
Check this out.
It opens onto a universe as broad and compelling as the human mind. It's also a lot of fun. In the beginning, multimedia sometimes meant just getting the electronic stuff to run like it was supposed to. That is behind us now. The history of multimedia really is the history of life and the launching of a whole new era in human communication.
The power to be your best.
Come on, y'all!
Meet Atom, an exciting new interactive multimedia system which addresses the education and training needs of educators and of students of wide-ranging levels and disciplines. The
following excerpt from Media Design's premier issue of World Tour Golf demonstrates the exceptional educational value of multimedia publishing. In this interactive bilingual sport and travel magazine, you take a tour of the world-famous aquarium in Monterey, California.
The purpose of the Monterey Bay Aquarium is to stimulate interest, increase knowledge, and promote stewardship of Monterey Bay and the world's ocean environment through innovative exhibits, public education, and scientific research.
NASA needed to show Congress and other agencies how a crew of 6 would eat, sleep, and work aboard a Mars habitat. They used multimedia to create a presentation that was accurate, thorough, and compelling. Multimedia's unique ability to visualize complex, technical, or in this case, yet to be developed technology was of crucial importance for the success of the presentation. Interactivity allowed the presenter to paste the material in a way especially suited to a specific audience, or to leave the presentation behind as a reference tool. At this level, the viewer can manipulate the craft to examine it from any angle by selecting the image on the upper left.
The DNA reserves of the Bronx Genetic Repository were decimated by a gang raid early this morning. We now go live to Tom Edwards on the scene. Tom? Tom? Are you there, Tom?